just put over any acrylic you want here using the clear acrylic. Put that over the nail. Okay, and then you can place your glitters right on top and it'll stick beautifully into the acrylic. And it's very effortless. Here we are grabbing again some of our iridescent flakes, and we are putting those on top of the nail into the wet acrylic. And it really gives you time. You can move around with it. It takes about a minute for the acrylic to set, so you can move around your glitter, iridescent, holographic flakes wherever you want them on the nail, or take them off if you see that they're in a place that you don't like. Here again, we're placing that acrylic on the nail, and then we're going to go into our iridescent glitter and put that right on top. Now this acrylic is wonderful to work with. It is an iridescent, kind of clear acrylic powder from Glitterballs, and this is great for any kind of fade that you're doing. It really helps that transition of color really be seamless on the nail. Picking up some more of that lovely acrylic, placing that on the nail. Okay, dragging it towards the free edge, and remember we want to leave most of that free edge clear as we're doing a glass nail. Now we're grabbing some of those beautiful iridescent glitters, placing them on the nail, and you can see I'm placing them on the cuticle and working it just towards the middle of the nail. Because again, we want to leave that see-through beautiful glass look. And you can see how beautiful they're looking already. Those beautiful iridescent holographic flakes. Just pick up different colors and different lights. Sometimes they'll get pinks, greens, blues. Just a beautiful, really easy nail design for all times of the year. Super easy to do at home. Really not hard to mess up. Okay, so here I'm grabbing some more of that iridescent Glitterballs acrylic, and I'm going to place another glitter now closer to the tip area. So we have this almost mirror-like silver holographic glitter, and I am placing this right on top where I placed that iridescent flakes, and it just gives a beautiful transition to the nail. Picking up another bead here of the iridescent glitter acrylic, and then I'm going to add some of the silver beautiful glitter pieces right on top of those iridescent flakes that we added earlier. And you can really be creative with this. It's just a personal preference. Just make sure you leave a little bit of that tip transparent, as it is a glass nail. Again, picking up that glittered acrylic, placing it about the middle of the nail, slightly tapering it towards the edge, and adding that silver beautiful glitter right in the middle and slightly tapering it towards the tip of the nail. This will give you a beautiful iridescent holographic fade to the nail and still keeping that glass see-through tip. Here you can see a zoomed in look. We're going to grab that glittered acrylic, picking up a rather small bead, placing it in the middle of the nail, and slightly tapering it towards the edge. And this acrylic is clear enough that you can still see through it on the edge. It just gives that beautiful sheen, that iridescent sparkle. And here we're taking that silver glitter and just placing it in the middle of the nail, mixing it with the iridescent glitter that we put on before, and slightly tapering it towards the tip. Alright, so now we're moving on to a super important step. We are filing the side walls of the nail. This is really important. You want to make sure you do this to keep the nails slender. This really makes a difference in the appearance of your nails. This is a quick step that a lot of people like to skip, but when you do, you're really going to notice a difference in the overall look of your nails. So you want to make sure that you are filing those side walls. here I am adding Muse Secret Glass Top Gel. You want to put a nice thin floating coat over all the nails and make sure not to touch the skin or the cuticle area. And if you do, you can just take a little brush and clean this off with rubbing alcohol. Okay, so you're going to cure that for 60 seconds. And then to adhere our gems, we're going to put another top gel layer, and do not cure this one. We're going to place our gems directly on that wet layer. Here we are picking up a teardrop crystal. We're putting that right on the nail. And you can move it around as you like because that top gel is not cured yet, so it gives you time to mess around with your crystal placement. Then I'm going to grab another stone crystal, put this right on top. And then we're going to grab some SS9 crystals and put them on the other nails. And you're going to make sure you want to cure this for 60 seconds. And you can see that beautiful, all those holographic iridescent glitters just really come through with the clear glass tip. It's a beautiful, easy nail design to do at home. Alright guys, thank you for watching. Make sure to like, comment, and subscribe.